excuse to cover up, right? When they learn from the mistake, means I wish they listen to each other. If they listen to each other, somehow, some way, we can make all kind of good progress. We still have a long way to go. They walk away from that situation. Take the easy way out. Quick answer and shortcut. Things not getting better and better, getting worse and worse. You're hoping the worst before getting better. Now, I listen to your idea. How do you expect everything getting better and better? For example, they don't like to hear the politician. They don't discuss. That's the reality. By the way, I don't need to copy nobody else's excuse. I have to learn the hard way, learn from the mistake, never do that. Bottom line, the news is a lot of tricky, a lot of crazy stuff out there. They don't know how to get the information. Let me set the record straightforward answer. Let me make the statement, okay? They miss everything. They miss communication, they miss understanding, they miss opportunity, they miss information. You have a wonderful feeling, learning experience, learning process, decision-making process, more interesting, more public, incredible thinking, perfect opportunity, wonderful opportunity, wonderful experience. The list go on and on, never ending like the cycle. Our government is a corruption, lawyer, everything all crooked. For the most part, they blame somebody else, accusing somebody else done something wrong. Somebody else, that will be the big corporation. No fact, no proof, no evidence, no document, no eyewitnesses, nothing good to showing. Imagine a lot of interesting stuff they mention all the time. Those kind of stuff doesn't add up. Doesn't make sense at all. Interesting conversation, interesting discussion, interesting experience, interesting choice, interesting situation, interesting combination, interesting development, interesting idea, interesting music, interesting study, interesting location. Those kind of stuff doesn't add up, doesn't make sense at all. Whatever they like to call the interesting or whatever happening. Well, turn out to be they do everything just exactly the opposite. Everything just turned upside down. Actions speak louder than words. So you have to think outside the box or inside. So you have to think outside the box or inside the box. Do you have a positive energy or negative energy? Those kind of stuff doesn't make sense at all. You know why? Because those kind of they come out with an excuse. If they come out, you know what? Last final point. Republican and Democratic, they blame each other, fighting each other all the time. They say you have to talk to the leadership, the good expert. Who is the leadership? Who is the good expert? Honestly, they're just ordinary people. They are human beings like everybody else. They do admit it. It's okay, we listen to each other, but they try to deny it. Now, bottom line, they use the knowledge, everything's more powerful. What is the right answer? I tell you the full detail. The right answer is going to be money, everything is more powerful. Love of the money, everything that's the root of evil. That's called capitalism. People rob the bank for the money, divorce for the money, for the money, killing each other for the money, make the nuclear weapon for the money. If I tell you for one simple reason, then you can learn. You can figure out right away what am I talking about. For all kinds of reasons, make it harder and harder, more difficult, more confused, too many factories. Is that too much? Lot of trash talking, whole bunch of crap full of baloney. Just wasting time, wasting energy because every time you see the house burn only 20 or 30 days, oh, everything's so terrible. 200 or 300. The real good stuff 10 to 15%. That's a little bit true. Every time you see the house, like a 300 or 400 houses all gone destroyed, it's a burn, Wi-Fi. Actually, maybe 20 or 30, 10 to 15% the most. No go over than 20%, 50% the top one. You see the house only burn eventually only 20 or 30. That's all. Because the Wi-Fi too hot, the way every burn all the glass, all the house, the building, they try to scare a lot of people. The bottom line, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way because they make a stupid, very stupid idea. No common sense. You know what? Hate is a come from large envy, jealousy. Hate is a come from large envy, jealousy, lack of knowledge. They don't have they got the thinking, they got the experience, they got the knowledge, they got the philosophy. Up to the individual, they have to make their own decision, their own excuse. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't add up. Do you think it works that way or doesn't work that way? Bottom line, now, final point of view, you make a lot of people so stupid now. They tell me the same thing. Do I make them? You say you make a lot of people so stupid. Do I make them so stupid or they make it all by themselves? Whose fault? Is this my fault? Their fault. They want to be a stupid. You make a lot of people so stupid. You don't want to give people a chance to learn something because they want to stupid. That's a common sense, right?
Yeah.
What's the bottom line? Do you go to study Bible? Honestly, I am not a Bible person. They have to learn the hard way. Should have learned from the mistake. The bottom line, the truth, the bigger truth is the more crook. The small one less crook. You know why I say more crook? Because the building more because costs a lot of money. That's the reality. Oh no. I don't like to hear the politicians. They talk a lot of. They told me the same thing. I don't want to discuss the politician. We're not talking about the politician. That's the reality. That's the true step. I think they do understand. They walk away from that because they don't have nothing good to say.
Yeah.
If they do have a lot of good thing to say, why they're looking for? They're not looking for excuse, sir. They're making all the excuse. They're making the excuse, or they're looking for the excuse, sir. Which way you on your mind? They're making
I
the
feel like
excuse,
they're
or
making,
they're
yeah,
looking for
they're
excuse.
making it.
Huh?
They're making excuses.
They're making the excuse, right? Try to blame the truth always come out. No, they come out with the excuse. They're making all the excuse to try to blame everybody. Everybody have to learn the hard way. I don't need to copy somebody else's excuse. You have to make your own excuse.
Yeah.
You don't need to copy somebody else's job. You have to make your own job. Take it easy, okay?
Okay.
That's
Have a good one.
That's the reality.
Yeah.
Okay?
Thank you.
They got to Donald Trump is the biggest liar. He's the biggest loser. He's a corruption. He's a bankrupt. Whether Donald Trump or Joe Biden, I don't trust neither one of them because you know why? Because they're all looking for excuse.
Yep.
They are not looking for excuse. They're making all the excuses, right?
Yeah, they are.
Huh?
They're making excuses.
They're making the excuse, right? Take it easy, okay?
Okay.
I'm Chinese, okay? Take it
You
easy,
have a good
okay?
one.